straight from Philly, grown in the neighborhood. Shout out to owner. Can't remember the name of the farm. Put the farm in there one day. All right, so now we have mandarin oranges, lemon, vitamin C boost. We got the turmeric, anti-inflammatory. We also have ginger in there as well. And we have cinnamon sticks. You see any sticks in there? In there somewhere. Pretty much gonna stir it up. We're gonna let it sit for about 45 minutes to an hour. We're gonna get it popping, you know what I'm saying? The pulling up. Alright, now we're going pouring out the extra juice, and I'm gonna be mashing the elderberries, getting the excess juice out, getting as much as possible, getting it out, getting it in, pouring the juice in the jar. Now we're adding that 1 cup of local honey. Gotta be local honey. Got to be local honey, good for your allergies, allergens, sinus, lung health, nasal congestion, things of that nature. And then all mixed in, baby. Get a cup and a little more, gotta have a little extra, what I'm talking about. Get it in, and there it is, amigo. Shake it up, and it's done. There we have it, people. Elderberry syrup on deck. So again, elderberry, a cup plus of honey, local honey, shout out to Troy. Lemon, turmeric, mandarin, oranges, cinnamon sticks.